astronauts, welcome to the Digital Galaxy Podcast. I'm your pilot, Justin.
And I'm your co pilot, Paul. Buckle up because today in episode 7, we're discussing Amazon.com's drones. The information in this episode comes from Business Insider, Amazon.com, CNET, and Forbes.com. Justin, can you fill the crew in on what Amazon has been doing with drones lately?
Actually, a few different projects about drones. The first one we'll talk about is the Amazon Air Division. According to Business Insider, quote, the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, granted Amazon permission to fly its fleet of prime air drones. An FAA spokesperson confirmed the ruling to Business Insider, stating that the retail giant got an air carrier certificate allowing unmanned aircraft systems on August 29th, end quote.
Uh, Nice. Yeah, so you're saying that Amazon can deliver something to your house within an hour or so using a drone, right?
Yeah, pretty much. The drone air project has actually been in the works since 2013.
Mm-hmm.
They're currently testing it in the United States, United Kingdom, Austria, France, and Israel.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. I mean, I remember hearing things throughout the years, but it's cool that it's finally happening. But I wonder what kind of drones they'll be using, or when this service may be available.
According to Amazon.com, quote, we will deploy when and where we have the regulatory support needed to safely realize our vision. We're excited about this technology and one day using it to deliver packages to customers around the world in under 30 minutes or less, end
Mm.
quote. They also say that they're testing several different types of vehicle designs, so that should be pretty cool to see.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it looks like they have at least one that carries up to 30 pounds and are testing many more vehicles in several different environments. I mean, this can certainly help a lot of people out, depending where they live. But what else has Amazon been up to in the drone departments?
So last week they previewed a bunch of new products that we talked about in the previous episode, including
Hmm.
Amazon Luna, which is a cloud gaming service,
Nice.
a newly redesigned fourth generation Echo, Echo Dot, and children's Echo speaker. The new Ring Car Connect, which is actually super cool,
That looks cool.
and
Yeah.
which is a security camera for your car essentially.
Hmm.
The Echo Show, which is a direct competitor of the Facebook portal, and most importantly, the Ring Always Home Cam.
Yeah, so the Ring Always Home Cam is a drone with a camera built into it that provides surveillance at your house when you're not there. It docks into a base station that hides the camera when it's not being used. However, Justin, can you see any privacy issues happening with this new device?
Yeah, I mean, this product has a lot of mixed reactions. When they announced it last week, privacy issues were definitely being discussed. The
Hmm.
drone can see what's in your home at the end of the day.
Yeah.
It can
Yeah.
give Amazon even more information about you, which they will certainly use to try and sell you a more personalized shopping experience online.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it being an issue, especially since we discussed privacy and personal data on several of our episodes here. But what you do basically with it is program the drone on a certain path in your house, and it'll notify you when it sees anything out of the ordinary or any motion or anything like that. It sounds like it could be pretty handy, when you're not at home. However, CNET.com states that it kind of sets a bad precedent for privacy.
Yeah, I mean, if it sees me Monday morning sitting on the couch early 6 in the morning, I don't want it to think it's out of the ordinary. Sometimes you just got to get up early.
It's true.
Um, Amazon has already been beefing up the listening skills of Alexa, adding Alexa Guard and Guard Plus.
Mhm.
According to CNET.com, quote, Alexa Guard and Alexa Guard Plus listen for a wide range of noises like glass breaking, footfalls,
Mhm.
and Amazon is expanding the voice assistant's ability to respond to such noises too, including babies crying, dogs barking, people snoring, and more. I would be surprised to see Amazon's Cam drone not offering proactive monitoring in response to certain noises when it releases next year.
Mhm.
End quote.
Yeah, I want to see what the reaction to people snoring is. Maybe, I mean, I
What's it
have
gonna
sleep
do? Wake you up?
apnea.
I
Right,
will.
yeah.
I will bat that thing out of the sky. I swear.
Seriously. Yeah, I mean, with all that, it certainly raises a lot of questions. I mean, I did find it interesting as well that the drone doesn't have to abide by normal FAA guidelines. According to Forbes.com, quote, these preset flight paths are fully autonomous And thanks to a quirk of drone law, the Always Home Cam's interior flights likely make it exempt from FAA rules regarding drone operation or drone use. Drones flown inside a home fall outside regulations and laws governing vehicles and public airways. Unquote.
I mean, as with any technology, there's a trade off for convenience for privacy. The battery life on this device is only about 5 minutes, so
Mm-hmm.
its effectiveness may not be enough to justify its purpose, but we'll see in the next coming year.
Yeah, I wonder how quickly it charges too if it's only 5 minutes. Um, I'm sure a lot of people will be testing it out pretty soon, so I'm
Oh,
sure
yeah.
we'll see for sure. But in summary, Amazon's Air Division was granted permission to fly by the FAA, and they are currently testing delivering packages by drones in several countries. Amazon released a slew of new products, including a Ring Always Home Cam that flies around your house with video recording capabilities. There has already been some discussion on privacy issues, and the product doesn't get released until next year.
Well, that about wraps it up for this episode. Don't forget to follow our channels on YouTube, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and iTunes. You can also find this episode in the written form on our website, digitalgalaxypodcast.com. This episode was created by Forest Social, a social media app where you are in charge of your data and community. Check it out at forestsocial.com. Thanks for coming along on our journey. Till next time.